Hope you are all my dear friends, family, and all my student and all my brother and sister. As you can see, this is our top floor, 8th floor. Okay, this nature is very uh, enjoyable. As you can see, is very beautiful and very nice. Here some trees. Okay, I don't know the trees name. Coconuts, as you can see, coconuts, and there are some our huge building. And you can see clearly. Okay, so right here, uh, me. So let's go our main topic. Uh, I want to share my English journey, real English journey. Uh, uh, Today's topic: what should a beginner do? Okay, so if you are a beginner, so this my these tips and tricks you can follow, and uh, me just suggest you can try, and you so that's why. Okay, so let's go start my tips and tricks. First thing, you are a beginner, so you can try every day a little uh, word learn every day. Okay, example: go, and second went, and market, and home. Okay, and that mobile. So whatever, only just 5 4 5 6 7 8 10 simple or uh, word learn every day little uh, word learn every day. Okay, uh, so not pause. Okay, and you can try uh, short sentence make this word. Okay, and second things, every day listening minimum 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, so you can try your best, inshallah. uh, you will be success, because me daily daily practice listening minimum 13 minutes every day, 13 minutes. Okay, so you can try only just 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, at least 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, and third thing, speaking. So if you are a beginner, so you can try every day some speak, or 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 10 minutes, at least 2 minutes or 1 minute every day speak. You are a beginner learner English. Okay, this uh, part is very important. Third part is very important, because you huge vocabulary learn, huge vocabulary sentence, but you cannot speak, so not benefit. So you can try your best every day, speak. Okay, in front of camera, as you can see, hear me. So you can try always best, and every day, every time, you can, if you can, ঠিক আছে. Okay, so you can try your best every day, minimum 1 minute or 2 minute speak. And fourth thing is very important. Fourth thing, four tips and tricks is very important. This is, you can try every day uh, little writing short sentence making and writing, and not so long sentence, only just short sentence make and writing. Okay, so it is very effective and very powerful. So you can try uh, every day writing. Okay, and fifth things is very important. Fifth tips and tricks very important. Everyday learning. Every single time learning, because uh, if you are a beginner learner, so always you learning. Okay, and uh, always motivation video was, and who make this video English, you can watch their video always. Okay, so five part is very important, because everyday learning, everyday learning, so it's very important. So this so five so five tips and tricks very important, so you can try your best and every day five tricks follow my tips. Okay, inshallah you will be success, because I am not perfection English learner. I today every day I learn, and learning always every day, every thinking, my learning and my thinking always positive, my mindset always positive and high, and I install brain belief. Okay, so you can try your best and your brain install belief system. Okay, and always thinking every moment, every time, every uh, thinking English. যেমন example here mosquito, and here water pot, and here coconuts. Okay, just imagine your brain visualization, your brain your eyes close and imagine. Okay, so it's very effective and powerful. So if you make this video, when you make this video, after all everything imagine your brain. Okay, so it's very effective and very powerful, so you can try your best, inshallah. You very soon fluency, your fluency speak. Okay, so watching this video, thank you so much, and very soon next video, see you soon, my English channel, English habit. So thank you so much, tata, bye bye, allah hafiz.